قال رب إني دعوت قومي ليلا ونهارا.
He was explaining the origin of shirk, how shirk started in this ummah or in the world. He said between Adam alayhi salam and Noah there were 10 generations. Asharatu Qurun. All of them are upon Tawheed. They are upon the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. 10 generations, can you imagine? Then shirk entered the ummah. How? Because of shaitan. Because shaitan said, لَأَغْوِيَنَّهُمْ أَجْمَعِينَ إِلَّا عِبَادَكَ مِنْهُمْ. I will misguide all of them except your slaves. You understand? So it was from the plan of shaitan that he wants to misguide people on a large scale. We pray that Allah save us from the misguidance of shaitan. Then shaitan told them that they should build because they have people, righteous people, who used to be righteous amongst them. That is what Allah said in Surah An-Nur. وَقَالُوا لَا تَذَرُنَّ آلِهَتَكُمْ وَلَا تَذَرُونَ وَدًّا وَلَا سُوَاعًا وَلَا يَغُوثَ وَلَا يَعُوقَ وَنَسْرًا. So those names, those 5 names, they are names of righteous people, as Ibn Abbas and radiyallahu anhu mentioned. And is mentioning this from the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is marfu'an. So these 5 righteous men, after their death, after their demise, Shaitan came to them, to the people there, and said, why don't you build the tamathil, the statues of these people? Why don't you draw their images, their pictures, and hang it in your rooms? And this, as for these statues, place them in marketplace, places where you'll be remembering them. So they did that, but they did not worship them. It was after Shaitan is very patient. Shaitan, because he already prayed that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala should leave him. He is patient. So that is why I used to advise, or the scholars used to advise generally, and I took that from the scholars. You people of Sunnah, you should be careful. Shaitan, the major target Shaitan have now is people of Sunnah, people of Salafiyah, because the world is in darkness, wallah. Darkness of shirk, bid'ah, innovation, sins, all those things. So the only people that are calling to Tawheed now, to Sunnah, those that are patient, they are people of Sunnah. So Shaitan hates you. So you should be careful, and you should make sure that you maintain. It's a ni'mah from Allah. It's not by your might or by anything. Wallah. It's ni'mah from Allah. So you should maintain that ni'mah. You should maintain that ni'mah. إِذَا كُنْتَ فِي نِعْمَةٍ فَرْعَاهَا. If you are in a ni'mah, take care of that ni'mah. فَإِنَّ الْمَعَاسِ تُزِيلُ النِّعَمِ. Because sins, they do remove the name of Allah. The scholars, Ibn al-Qayyim mentioned it in his Ad-Dawa wad-Dawa. So Ibn Abbas said, when a fresh generation came, Iblis told them, don't you know these statues? These are the laws of your fathers. So worship them. So they start worshiping them. Then Allah